Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Quick heads up, if you're still out here trading meme coins in 2026, well, this video is probably going to change on how you look at the whole market. Because me personally, I do not make my money from trading at all. I just launch meme coins over and over again, and that's exactly how I've been making serious money in this space without risking anything. I am making this video to show you guys exactly how deving is way more profitable than trading and how you can do it yourself too. I will even do a live example all in this video for you guys. Let's get straight into the video. I stopped trading meme coins completely in 2026 and went all in on deving, and that decision changed everything for me. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how I print from launching meme coins. Now, I'm going to be completely honest, bro. I just want to be clear that deving meme coins is way more profitable than trading. Why? Because most traders nowadays in 2026, they just get rinsed by these devs. They buy in, and then after that, bro, they keep getting dumped on, and they just become exit liquidity, bro. And that is the truth of becoming a trader. I can even go on other coins, right? Most of these coins end up going to zero, all because of the devs. The devs, okay, are just launching these coins hoping for buyers, and then when the market cap is high, they just dump on you and they take all the profits. Now, that's exactly why I am making this video, bro. I will be exposing my meme coin deving strategy. I will show you how to dev your very own meme coin, how to do it repeatedly, okay, how to cash out everything. I will even do a live example all in this video. But the point I'm trying to make is that deving meme coins is way safer, way more profitable than trading, and that is a complete fact. Even people like Cubsy, Orangey, Ethan Prosper, all these people are saying that deving meme coins is way easier than trading, all because you have nothing to lose, okay? Trading, you need a big portfolio, but deving though, anybody can make coins and then cash out. It all depends to your strategy though. And by the way, bro, before we continue the video, I just want to be clear that this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am just here to educate you guys, so please do your own research. Now guys, when it comes to deving, let me tell you exactly where you have to be launching your meme coins. Now, do not make the mistake that most devs do, and that is launching meme coins on Pump.Fun, hoping for your coin to go viral. Because the truth is that Pump.Fun is oversaturated. There's too many coins launching on Pump.Fun at every single second, so the odds that your coin goes viral or gets just a couple buyers is really slim. You are wasting your time and you will just get drained on fees, and nobody likes fees, let's be honest here, okay? On top of that, Pump.Fun takes a cut from your liquidity pool, so you don't actually control your coins. Pump.Fun actually does, not you. So that's exactly why you have to be taking a different approach, and that is launching coins in the Raydium DEX. The Raydium DEX is actually way more profitable than the Pump.Fun DEX, because the Raydium DEX is basically like the level 2 of Pump.Fun. All the coins on Raydium gets a bunch of attention, okay? A bunch of people see the coin, buy in potentially, and there's just more credibility and it's way more trusted, okay? Now, to get your coin in the Raydium DEX, you have two options. You could either hope for your coin on Pump.Fun to reach the migration level, which is a $60,000 market cap, or you can go on create meme.io and launch a meme coin here. It's the best launchpad. It's actually fucking get kept by a bunch of devs because every single coin instantly migrates to Raydium and reaches thousands of potential traders for that meme coin. Now let me walk you through exactly how to launch a coin using this platform. There are two ways to create a token here, and the direction you choose all depends on how you want to proceed your launches. Now the first approach is making a coin entirely on your own. This starts with finding a narrative. Go on Google News, go in the newspapers, go on X, Instagram, TikTok, right, and look for narratives. Then make your own coin here by inventing a name, symbol, and image. You can even make a project coin or a community coin. It's up to you. You could also use their free X tracker right here, which is a brand new feature. It's free, and basically you can create coins based off of any tweet coming out from important accounts, okay? This is extremely good to snipe viral narratives. It's up to you, or if you are a meme coin trader, you can use this for completely free. But the method that we will be using in this video is the copy trending coins tab. You can recreate coins that are already trending. These are tokens that are already picking up momentum and bringing in constant buyers on Pump.Fun. All these coins are going viral, the attention is already there, and the demand is already proven. That means if you copy a coin here to Raydium, well, you have a high chance of getting a bunch of buyers into your coin, and that's exactly what we are looking for. So instead of starting from zero, you are stepping straight into success that's already working. That means a bunch of volume. Now, I will show you how it's done. Alright guys, now it's time for the best part of this video, and that is making money from deving. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is well connected, then click on refresh and look for a coin to vamp. It could be literally anything. I am going to go for the first one. Boom, this one, Destiny. Click on copy to Raydium, wait for your Phantom to appear, ignore the block from Phantom, it's normal, it's safe. Click on proceed, then confirm, then hit the checkbox, then confirm, and then the coin will be vamped. Just give it some time. Come on, 3, 2, 1, bang. And if I go on SoScan for some proof for you guys can see that it's minted 8 seconds ago. The coin is live, everything is working okay, it's on chain. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page right here is where we create our Raydium liquidity pool. Like that, we can set how much supply we have as a dev, and we control all the coins instead of Pump.Fun. We control it, and it goes to Raydium. This right here is the method. Now for the amount of Destiny coins, I would highly recommend to tap on 90%. This is what I usually do for all my launches. Also, people in my community do 90%. It works really well. For the amount of SOL, here is where you were setting up how much supply you have as a dev. Now I would highly recommend to put 0.3 SOL right here. You are not losing this Solana, you are just exchanging it temporarily, and when you want that Solana back, you can just remove the liquidity and you will get it back later on whenever you want. So it's not a big deal, it's not a it's not a fee, it's nothing, okay? Now click on create pool, wait for your Phantom wallet to show up, and then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And then bro, the coin should be copied, well, it should be live. Click on refresh and then scroll down, and bang, the Destiny coin is now live. Okay, people can see your coin in the migrate section, and your PNL is going to be right there. And if you do want to check how much you're up in profits, just click on refresh, and as you guys can see, bro, bang, okay, we're already up $122 because people are buying our coin at this present moment. That is a good sign because we copied the coin. Now look, click on view on photon, go on Axum, go wherever you want to see your coin. Let me go on full screen. The coin should be live. Now the coin is created, okay, people are now buying in. Do not get worried if it dumps a little at the beginning, okay? More and more people are going to start seeing the coin, a bunch of attention is going to start flowing in, and then it's going to spike in a couple seconds possibly. And even though if you only make $100, $20, $50, it's not a big deal. You can still pocket that and launch another coin or multiple at the same time, and it does add up after every launch, okay? And this is exactly why I love deving. This coin costed us literally $0 to create, so we have nothing to lose. Unlike trading, we're just up in profits because we make money from every single transaction from the creator fees, and we make money from our supply that we own in our coin. Now I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump, okay, and for it to go up. And yeah bro, I'll be back after like a couple seconds and we will see how much we're up and then cash out. Alright guys, I am back and we are almost at the $10,000 market cap after a couple minutes. 10k is pretty average for a coin, okay, since we copied a viral coin. Now come back to create meme when you want to cash out your profits from this coin. After that bro, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see here bro, 2.44k is what we are going to receive if we cash out our profits right now. So let's do that. Click on the minus button, do 100% to remove all, and then remove liquidity, wait for your phantom wire to show up. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And bang bro, that's exactly how to cash out on a fucking dev. Now look, if I open my phantom wide for some proof bro, I am not like all these other fake YouTubers on YouTube. I actually do this bro, boom, 2.5k straight in my phantom wallet, and then you can rinse and repeat that method over and over again. Obviously it's all for educational purposes only. Create meme.io will be linked everywhere down below, or you can just go on Google. It's up to you bro. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace out.